got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's split. That's that split right there.
Look at the way. Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
Alright you guys, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is you want to pin the hair up top. So my client wants basically an undercut, he wants a fade on the sides, he wants to keep the curly hair on top, just cut it down a little bit. So right now I'm parting it at the parietal ridge, trying to make it as neat as possible. This right here kind of took me a long time, so I'm just going to speed this part up, but I kind of refined it off camera.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
360.
Alright you guys, so now that I have everything pinned up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clipper over comb everything on the sides, knocking off all that bulk.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
360.
Alright you guys, so next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2-guard with the lever closed and clean up the bottom, basically making sure everything is at that 2-guard length.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
Next, using my Barber Skeleton FX trimmers, I'm going to set in my bald line. Now, I'm not going to take off that C-cup area. I'm going to leave that area dark. That way I can put in a C-cup line. So I'm just going to go around the ear and drop it in the back, making sure I clear out everything as I go.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
360.
Who got that 5?
Next, with the lever open, going up about a ½ inch, making sure I keep it consistent all the way through, going over that guideline multiple times. That way it's at that lever open length.
Who got that 5?
HustleDreamProduction.
Who got that 5?
360.
Same thing with the one guard with the lever open, going up about a ½ inch, going over that guideline multiple times to ensure that it's at that one guard length. Also, you want to make sure you go side to side. Don't rely on the against the grain to just be up and down. You know what I mean? Sometimes you're gonna have to go to that side to side motion to get it at that length.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
Next, with the 2 guard with the lever closed, I'm just clearing out the rest of the bulk at the top.
Who got that 5?
Now dropping back down to the one guard with the lever open, I'm cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5? Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
So next thing I did was close the lever on that one guard, and right now I'm just going up, basically softening up that middle line. That way it's easier to take it out with the next step.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
Putting on the 0 guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Notice how I'm using my corners. I started off using my corners, basically kind of gauging little by little on how much I want to take off. But as a beginner, you want to use your corners the entire time. You don't want to have to focus on both ends of the blade at the same time. So make sure you kind of use your corners most of the time when you're flicking out.
5.
HustleDreamProduction.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
So with no guard, with the lever halfway, I'm basically softening up that bottom line just how I did with the middle line. I'm doing it with the bottom line, that way it's easier to take it out with the next step.
That 5? Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
Now with the lever closed, it'll be a lot easier to take out that bottom line. All you have to do, use your corners, start below the line, flick to the line, and adjust your levers if you need to go up.
Who got that 5?
So lastly, what you want to do is detail work. Detail work is everything, all right? It sets you apart from just being an average barber, all right? What I like to do when I detail is I like to refer to the mirror, or I like to rest my eyes, give my eyes a break. I've been looking at the blend for too long, so you rest your eyes. That way it gives you another, take on the blend. Or, like I said, use the mirror. The mirror gives you a different perspective on the blend than just you seeing it dead on. So I like to use my corners of the blade, go in using different guards in areas where I use those guards, and maybe close the lever and do some corner work. Just anything to kind of, perfect those bulk areas, kind of clear those bulk areas out. You want to do detailing. So to add another transition to your blend, I'm just gonna use my Babyliss shaver FX3s and just kind of clear out the bottom a little bit, making it razor bald.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
HustleDreamProduction.
So this is a situation where my client didn't really tell me how much he wanted to cut off. He just basically explained to me that when it hangs, he basically wanted to hang right above his ear. So I basically saturated my client's hair with water, let it hang over, and just took off all the hairs that's just hanging below his ear.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5? Who got that 5?
So my client wanted a lineup in the front. So basically, I'm gonna create a hairline by dragging some of that hair that he has in front and bringing it down. Basically, bringing all of that hair down to a 1 guard.
Who got that 5? 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 Who got that 5?
Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
Damn, son. We make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.
Who got that 5? Who got that 5? Who got that 5?